Alright guys, like I said, new job site. So what I did today was hang all these outside lights on the outside of the building. I think there is about at least 20. There's two different types of fixtures. There's these little wall packs right here, as you can see, above each door. There's like 6 on these two sides, the right side, the left side. And then there's like 1 or 2 on the north and south side. So, yep. So there's at least like 14 or 15 of these wall packs, and then there's 8 of the other ones, so there's like 22, 23 lights total. I'll just give you a little walk through here just to give you some content for the day. I guess someone's pulling low voltage and stuff too, but got all these leveled up nice. Had to drill every single one of these brackets because they're 4.0 pancake boxes, and these lights are, the brackets are like 3.0 something, so had to drill every single one of them. So that took a little bit extra, but the wall packs are pretty much super easy, except for when I ran into 1 or 2 pancakes where I had to drill those plates out as well. But for the most part, these just have a square bracket. You just screw it right on to the holes, level it up, tie the wires together, ground, neutral, hot, and then you just slide it right over and then tighten the Allens on the bottom. Super easy. So really like these lights. These people actually probably tried to install them. The people that made them, most people do not. Most lights are a nightmare, but these ones were good. So they actually look pretty decent too. So yep, just about done here giving you the walkthrough. And then the last thing I did was throw away the garbage for these, and then went inside and started working on the exit sign, just cutting the ceiling tile. And then didn't get a chance to cut the hole yet, but I got the ceiling tile fit in there, and yep, that's about it. So there's, on the corners, there's these little jelly jar LED lights, and then all the other lights by the doors are these wall packs right here. So that's about it. Yep, that's the last one right there. So alright guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for stopping by, I highly appreciate it. Had a really great day. Got some home delivered food for lunch from my mother, so that was awesome. The new job site's a couple miles from my house, so it takes me like 7 minutes to get there, which is amazing. So hopefully I'll be there for a little bit. 8-hour day, nice and quick, and got all the outside lights done, feeling accomplished, and really good day. And I already said that. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for stopping by. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. See you later. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'd highly appreciate it. Help me out. And I hope to see you guys. And don't forget to participate in the comments. Love hearing from you guys. Got any questions, drop them below. See you later.